Fetch Rewards is built around scanning receipts, and without receipts, the app limits how you earn points unless you use its alternative earning methods. By the end, you'll know exactly what you can do without receipts, how to still earn points inside Fetch, and what redemption options actually work when you don't have receipts to scan. First thing to understand is how Fetch normally works. The app rewards you for scanning physical receipts from grocery stores, gas stations, and retail purchases. Those receipts are what generate most of your points, because they confirm real spending activity. Without receipts, you can't use the standard scanning feature. But the app doesn't completely stop you from earning. Fetch includes other point-earning methods that don't require physical receipts. One of those methods is digital offers. These are brand promotions you activate inside the app before making purchases. When linked correctly, Fetch can detect qualifying transactions through your purchase data instead of a paper receipt. Another method is online shopping connections. Some users connect email accounts or shopping accounts so Fetch can identify eligible purchases automatically. This only works with supported retailers, and doesn't cover every transaction. You can also earn limited points through in-app promotions and bonus events. These are time-based offers, where Fetch gives points for completing specific actions inside the app. They don't require receipts but usually don't replace the full earning power of scanning physical ones. Now when it comes to redeeming points, receipts are not required at all. Once you have points in your account, you can redeem them for gift cards directly in the app. The redemption process is based only on your points balance, not how you earn them. That means even if you earned points through digital offers or promotions, they all combine into the same balance for redemption. To make this work in practice, here's the simple approach. Use digital offers before shopping whenever possible. Connect supported accounts if you want automatic tracking. And check the app regularly for bonus point opportunities that don't require receipts. The key limitation is that without receipts, your earning speed will usually be slower because the main earning method is not available. But you can still redeem rewards normally once your balance is high enough. Like and subscribe for more clear breakdowns of reward apps and how to actually maximize them without wasting time or missing hidden features.